I'm going to walk you through downloading, setting up, and using Handbrake, and then compress some videos. First, open up your browser. In the search bar, look up Handbrake. There it is. Open it up. Download for Windows 10 or later. If you have other platforms, pick the one that you got. Hit it. It's going to ask you where you want it. Well, I'm gonna have it in my download, so I'll just put it there. It's downloading. When it's done, just grab here and open it. Double click. Execute. Okay, there's Handbrake setup. Next. Next. Programs, files. Yep, that's where I want it. Install. Takes a second to install. Finish. Now we can close this. Here's my little icon. Open it up. Okay, now it's going to ask you if you want to download runtime. Say yes and download that. There's Handbrake. Right here you can open a file or folder, or if you have them open someplace else, you can just drag and drop, or you can do a batch scan of a whole folder. We'll do that. So we're going to find some videos to compress. My video storage, 25 proctoring. There we go. I'm going to grab these 1313 2025 Energy Auditor Honolulu. Okay, Glengarry and Glen Ross, those are my subjects. So I'm going to just grab the whole folder and select folder. It's uploading all of them. You can see that there are 4 files open. Okay, now I'm going to go to add to queue, but I'm going to do the little drop down right here and add all. That puts 4 of them into my queue right there. Okay, now I'm going to open source, grab another batch, come back up to Glen Ross, grab the whole folder. Okay, now I'm going to do that again, add all. Now I have 8 in my queue. First, before I put them anyplace, let's set up a preset. So you have your presets right here. This is a fast 1080-30. I'm going to create one. First, I'm going to go to my video. This is the constant quality. 22 is pretty good. I'm going to go to 25. The higher the number you go, the lower the quality. But these don't have to be high quality videos anyway. And the higher the number, the smaller the file. You don't want to go too much higher than 25 because then they start getting ugly. Dimensions. I'm going to go with the source dimensions. Okay, automatic. And everything looks good. Oh, right here I'm going to go web optimized. Easier to upload. Now I'm going to save the new preset. I'm going to name it BPI compressed. For upload. Okay, then add. Okay, now when I go to my preset, I can go custom presets, BPI compressed, there it is. Now everything in here is going to be done the same, everything in the queue. Now I'm going to find where am I going to send this stuff. I'm going to go back to I'm just going to drop them in here, and then I can sort them later. Save. Now I've got a path for them to go, and everything will go to the same place, everything in the queue. So now it's just a matter of starting it. Now it's doing the first one, so there's 7 more in queue, and it's working on the part 1. Now this is going to take however much time it takes. What's nice about this is you can just leave it overnight. You can do the just before bed, and it'll do it while you sleep. But you do have to make sure that your computer is set up so that it doesn't go to sleep on you, or else it'll stop it. You can do that here. Settings, system, power and sleep, battery on. My PC goes to sleep after. Never. That's what you want. The screen can go asleep. That doesn't matter. The screen can turn off, but as long as it doesn't go to sleep, it'll keep doing it. Okay? So it'll take however long it's done. Let's just skip to the end, shall we? Now that they're all done, I'm going to open them up, and there they are. Now I'm going to make some folders, compressed. I'm going to grab Glengarry's, drop them in, and I'm going to drop that right into Glengarry. Okay? Make another compressed, the Glen Rosses, and drop them into Glen Ross. Okay? Now let's look at them side by side. Make it big. Notice these are all 1.85 gigs each byte. Your files may vary. The compressed ones, 188 megs, 180 megs, 160 megs. That's an over 90% reduction in size. And now they're ready for upload. Now your Handbrake's ready for the next batch. Okay guys, now your videos are ready for upload. And that's all there is to it. See ya!